am Maria Klann and this is Klann. Let's get ready to cook tonight a veggie pizza but without the flour. And these are the ingredients. The main ingredients is the zucchini. You're gonna chop the zucchini in slices, very thin, don't do it too thick. And also we're gonna use the tomato. I'm using in this case the little one. Just chop the tomato 1 and 2, so then you're gonna have the 3 pieces like this, 3 slices. And additionally, if you have the ingredients, some olive, it could be black or green, your favorite one. I don't have it right now, but it will be very, very tasty. The mustard also. And the herbs, very basic, and using rosemary and also Italian herbs, where the main ingredient over here is the oregano. So if you don't have a Mediterranean blend or anything like this, just use the oregano because that is going to give you the flavor of the pizza. And this is up to you. Black pepper, I love black pepper, the olive and the olive oil, so good. So and the mozzarella cheese, of course, some slices of mozzarella cheese. I already started with all the recipe, and the first thing that we're gonna do is to take a refractario, something like this, because this will go inside, it will go to the oven. So let's make a bed with the zucchini. You put it all laid down, okay? And then on top of the zucchini, we're gonna put all the little pieces of the tomatoes. And on top of this, you're gonna sprinkle the herbs, the oregano and also the rosemary. When you finish this, you just put a little bit, pour of the olive oil, and then we continue together. Let's add some of the olive, just a little bit over here. This is only cooking with the eye. And on top of this bed that we already have ready, we're gonna put the slice of the mozzarella cheese. So we'll put one over here and another one over there, and ta-da! We have something like this. I want to add another extra bed of the zucchini. So we take the zucchini that we already have chopped in slices, we put it on the top, and then add a little bit more of the herbs. So I add a little bit more of the oregano and the rosemary, all the Mediterranean herbs if you have it. Then I have more of the cheese on the top to create a layer. You know what? Let's add, this is an improvement, this recipe. It just came to my mind because I haven't had the chance to go to the groceries. So you know what? Let's add a little bit more of the tomatoes. Yeah, that's good. So then we will have more juice, and it's gonna be like juicy, tasty, good, like a pizza, right? Because that's what we're eating, a pizza veggies. This is gonna be really, really good, smell good, and it looks good. So let's use all the tomatoes, perfect. So, look, 2 layers, okay? It's like a lasagna. And then we finish putting all the cheese, the mozzarella cheese, on the top. And very easy, this will go to the oven. Since this is our veggies and I don't want to overcook the veggies, I'm gonna put it in the oven for 10 minutes, 325 degrees, very quick, because I don't want them to be overcooked. And after that, I'm going to change the function in the oven to broil. So I will check with my eye between 1 and 2 minutes just to get a slightly golden color of the mozzarella cheese, and to be more juicy, and adding a little bit more of olive oil. Ready? Let's go to the oven. Mamma mia! Unfortunately, you can't smell through the camera, but this smell amazing. It smells really like pizza. I highly recommend to you this quick and very healthy recipe. And if you want to add some protein, some meat, so it's also a good idea to add on top of the between the layers a little bit of turkey or ham. So it's gonna be more like a pizza. And so just I think I'm going to do it right now. I hope you like it and let me know your thoughts. Bye bye.